Hello, my name is Niamh. I'm currently a student at the SWC College in Enniskillen where I'm studying my foundation degree. I've been studying at the college now since I was 16 and I decided to do my National Extended Diploma instead of my A-levels. So by doing my National Extended Diploma also gave me the chance to still go to university, but I decided to stay on in Enniskillen. I still had the skills and qualifications to get into university, but I still developed my hard skills by working with cameras, editing equipment, sound equipment. The reason I continue to stay and do my foundation degree and continues to do my BA's honours next year is because the teaching is very good here. It's very one-on-one. If I have any struggles or concerns, I can always go to my tutors and they're always happy to help and stay over extra time to make sure I got everything sorted. Also, another reason was financial. I saved thousands of pounds staying at home and doing my course here, and I still got the same qualifications, skills and education as any student in Queen's or Ulster. During my time studying here at SWC College, I've gotten so many amazing opportunities. I got to work with PSNI, being one of my clients. We made a documentary on antisocial behaviour. Another time I went to Tenerife and I studied digital marketing. I went there for 2 weeks with the Emirates project and it was really fun, it was really great, and I got to make connections with students from Dungannon and Omagh as well. During my second year of my foundation degree, I'm currently doing my work experience. Here I'm going to be working with a lady who is making a documentary on the war of Ukraine and the aftermath and how it affects people and the community. So I'm very excited to indulge in the industry and learn new skills and meet new people along the way. The advice I would give to students who have just finished their GCSEs would be look into the college and all the courses they supply. For myself, I knew rightly I didn't want to do my A-levels and I was heavily pushed to go down the business and childcare route, and I knew in my heart I wanted to do something creative and fun. So looking into the courses within the college, I found one that I loved, and that was media, and I was so excited to begin my journey there.